Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Zoho Mail and Outlook are ready. Sign into Zoho and enable IMAP in Mail settings so Outlook can sync folders. Make a quick note of the IMAP server, IMAP, Zoho. Com, SMTP server, SMTP, Zoho. Com, ports, and whether SSL/TLS is required, you will need credentials. Once done, open Outlook and choose Add Account so you can begin entering those details. This step prevents authentication errors and speeds up setup because you already have the required info. You will now add the Zoho account manually in Outlook for full control. Choose File, Add Account, then Manual Setup and pick IMAP. Enter IMAP, Zoho. Com with port 993 and SSL and SMTP, Zoho. Com with port 587 and startles/TLS. Use your full Zoho email as the username. If you use two-factor authentication, generate an app password in Zoho and paste it into Outlook. This prevents login rejections. Make sure incoming and outgoing authentication both use the same credentials so mail sends and syncs reliably. Finish by testing send and receive and confirming folder synchronization. You should see inbox, sent, and drafts populate. If messages fail or you see authentication errors, make sure ports and SSL/TLS match Zoho's recommendations and that you used an app password if needed. Once done, adjust sync frequency and folder subscriptions to optimize bandwidth. If problems persist, remove and re-add the account or check Zoho's account security settings. This single troubleshooting step often resolves lingering connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.